Hello to users and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see about how to get the dynamic export of the records from API. So in the previous video we saw that how the reports are downloaded in Odoo in your server, which is FTP or SFTP as per your requirements, and in this video we will see how to do the same with API. So let's check that. So as we know, this is the application that we are talking about, and now this is the application, and whenever we download this application we will get this on our screen. So whenever we are doing any of the export, we will need to mention all this, or say have to get filters and have to map the fields and have to do all the process. And if you do not have time for doing such things, you have another way where you can export your reports with this feature that is called API endpoint, and this will help you to get the reports quickly, and it will also give you the reports in proper manner, like this only. So we will see how the same will takes place. So now we have this API endpoint where you can know that you can mention the unique API endpoint that you will want to use to get the file generated from this mapping table. So mapping table is already a compulsion wherever you want to export any of the reports. Mapping table is required, but endpoint should be unique. Say suppose for your sale order you have this endpoint, but whenever you want to export anything else, that is a purchase order or any bank statement journal or something like that, your endpoint should be unique. It supports on a unique API. So now this is my endpoint over here. Now we will mention, or we will open our Postman to export the reports. So here we will mention the link that is the server link where we will see that how the export takes place. So when once we mention the link over here, we will mention the endpoint, that is export report, which is our endpoint. And here is the endpoint that we mentioned over in the API endpoint as well in our application, which is this one, sale order report and download, which is over here as well, sale order report and download. So whenever you mention the API endpoints over here and over there as well, you click on the row, and here are the fields or say filters that you want to get exported. So there are three filters that you have make presented over here for the customer, company and salesperson. Along with that, you want other three filters while you export the reports, which is this one, date, order and company ID. So if whenever the export takes place, it will also go and check these filters. Along with that, these filters will also be checked while the export takes place. After you mention the URL over here, you will click over here and go to send and download. So the API report will be exported through this key, and the same will be downloaded. So this is how this process takes place, and this is very helpful when you want to directly generate the reports. So we'll wait as the reports are getting downloaded and exported. So as you can see, the report is now exported in XLS format, and you can check this format and see the reports afterwards. So this is how this API export of the reports takes place. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you do it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can write back to us at sales@technologies.com. Thank you.